Reform UK leader claims Prime Minister is using dirty tricks like Remainers did in the Brexit campaign. Nigel Farage accused Sir Keir Starmer of Project Fear 2.0 after the Prime Minister used a major speech to attack the Reform UK leader. The Labour leader insisted he wanted to protect working people from what the insurgent Reform Party would do. He claimed Mr Farage's plans to spend billions upon billions, tens of billions of pounds, in an unfunded way was an exact repeat of what Liz Truss did. It comes after Reform pledged to restore winter fuel payments for all pensioners and scrap the two-child benefit cap in a move to outflank Labour with its traditional working-class support. But the Reform leader warned that Sir Keir was using tactics from the 2016 Brexit campaign, when Leavers accused Remainers of using excessive negativity and scaremongering. Mr Farage said on X, "The Prime Minister is resorting to dirty tricks borrowed from the 2016 referendum campaign to attack me. This is Project Fear 2.0. Sir Keir launched his attack on Mr Farage as he spoke during a visit to a glass factory in the north. He claimed the Clacton MP would not have protected jobs in industries subjected to tariffs from the US. The Prime Minister also rejected Mr Farage's pitch of Reform as the party of working people and his accusation that he has no connection to the working class. Sir Keir said, "Can you trust him? Can you trust him with your future? Can you trust him with your jobs? Can you trust him with your mortgages, your pensions, your bills?" And he gave the answer on Tuesday. A resounding no.
Cuando tú no estás conmigo, cómo gritarle a los vientos que me perteneces, que te necesito, cómo explicar la alegría cuando tú estás a mi lado. Yo sé que no hay en el mundo un amor más grande como el que me has dado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre mil veces te amo. Y aunque no creo merecerte, doy gracias al cielo de haberte encontrado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre mil veces te amo. Que Dios bendiga tus ojos, tu cara bonita, tu amor, tus encantos.